What's up everyone? So every time a new iOS comes out, I like going back and doing some emulator new tutorials on how to get certain emulators on your phone. And right now I'm going to show you how to get a PSP emulator on your phone. And I have some sad news actually. My PSP before, I've done a lot of videos on this, actually stopped working. So I don't know what to do. I might actually try to fix it and open it up. But I don't know, dude. That's some sad news. I'm kind of sad. If you want to leave your condolences in the comment section below, I'd appreciate it. But now in order to get the emulator on your phone, it's pretty easy. It's not, you can be on iOS 12, iOS 12.1, whatever, 12.3, whenever that comes out. If you're watching this even a year from now, it'll probably still work, but there's a little bit of a different method every time. A lot of things do change in a year, but I do want to say, in order to get the emulator on your phone, you can just use your phone and everything, but in order to put a ROM on your phone, in order to actually play a game, you will actually have to connect it to iTunes, and I'll go ahead and show you from start to finish how to do everything. So first thing you want to do is go into Safari, make sure Safari, don't go to Chrome, and go to this website, tweakboxapp.com, alright? Type it in exactly like that, or probably autofill. Go to that website, you will need it. And then from there, all you want to do is click download app, which is right there. And I'll go ahead and show you a little dialog box. It'll take like a second. And once this comes up, you just want to click allow. And then it'll take you here, and then you just see this stuff, and you click install. You click install again. And then I think it's install, you click done. And then once you're here, you can go ahead and click out. And you'll see this new little Tweakbox app thing right here. So what you want to do is you just want to click that, and it might take a minute. And usually when this comes up, you will see an ad that comes up. So just kind of let it go. We got to support the developers, So once that comes up, you just click X. You want to click apps, scroll down. What the heck? You want to scroll down into Tweakbox apps. You want to scroll all the way down until you see PPSSPP. And that's actually the PSP emulator. And you keep scrolling down right here. This is the one you want to download. So once you click there, you just click that. And you click install. You want to give it a second. Usually the dialog box takes a second. You want to click install. Usually you might get another pop-up too. It's okay. And you'll see that it'll start downloading automatically on the thing. Now, once it's downloaded, I'll show you what to do next. I don't even know what just happened. Okay, that was really weird. I don't know what just happened there. So as you saw, we just had a bug. So what I'll do is just go back into Tweakbox app, and we'll just go ahead and reinstall it. That was really weird. I don't know what the heck just happened there. Click PPSSP, click install again. Oh, there we go. Okay, now it's what it shows. It didn't show before. What the heck? So once you actually do get installed on your phone, all you want to do is click out. You want to go into settings, and you want to go into general, scroll down into profiles and device management, and click on the one that was just installed. So you want to click here, you want to click trust, you want to click trust again, and then it'll go ahead and be good. So now what you can do is actually go into the app, and you can open it, and it'll show you here's PPSSPP, here's the new emulator, here's this and that. And you can go ahead and modify this and do whatever you want with it, but you will not be able to play any games until you download the ROM and go through iTunes. So this is where I'm going to kind of lose some people because you will have to go into iTunes in order to sync up your phone. Now what you will have to do is download the ROM. So I'm not going to show you how to download the ROM because that's illegal. You need to legally get it. I'm not going to show you how to download the ROM, but what I will show you is once you do have the ROM, how to get it on your phone. So let's go ahead and do that. So excuse the mess and everything. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and connect your phone to iTunes. Okay, so I have it connected to my MacBook. Now I'm using a different iPhone. This is my main iPhone because I already have the ROM installed on here and I don't feel like going back and forth. So literally all you have to do, okay, once you have your phone connected to iTunes, you'll just go ahead and see these things. And like I said, you want to make sure you guys have the ROM already downloaded. So I have the ISO right here. So what you want to do is you want to click file sharing, which is right here. And then once you click that, you want to click on PPSSPP, which is right there. This is the only folder I have. And then once you're here, all you need to do, okay, this is the easiest part. You want to get that ROM that you just downloaded. If it's an ISO form, you can just go drag and drop it here. But I've seen instances where there's sometimes a folder, 10 folders or something like that. I don't really remember what you do there, but you actually just drag and drop one specific folder. You don't drag and drop the whole 10 folders. You just drag and drop one. So you should do a little bit more research on that. But in this case, I have ISO. All you need to do is just drag this ISO into here, okay? So you just need to drag and drop it right in there. As you can see, I already installed mine, and mine's right there. And once you actually install it, you'll see on my iPhone 10 that I actually have it already here, but in case sometimes you don't see it, it'll go up and show up just right here on your games folder. But one thing you need to know is sometimes when you do click it right when you install it, this happens to me on every single one of my devices, you will sometimes run into error where the app would literally just crash. It'll just crash on you. It's so annoying. But what you want to do in that case, and this is very important, so if you click the game and it actually crashes, this is how you fix it. You want to go into settings, you want to click tools, you want to click developer tools, and then right here where it says CPU core, you just want to click that. And usually it's on dynamic JIT or whatever. You want to click IR interpreter, and you want to change it to IR interpreter. You don't want it to be on dynamic JIT if it is crashing. If you play the game just fine, then don't even worry about it. And once you do that, you go ahead and go all the way back here, and you can run the game here, or you can go into recents and change it there and just play it. So here I'll just click here, and as you can see, the game does run. and it runs pretty well, I'll say. I really haven't ran into too many problems with it. It's been pretty like safe. I've had this on my phone for a long time, and like I've really ran into no problems. So it's a very solid emulator. As you can see, it runs fairly straightforward. Loco Roco isn't really the craziest game ever. Like it's pretty like not a humongous game. But yeah, that is pretty much how you do it. Pretty much straightforward. If you guys do run into any problems or anything, leave some comments in the comment section below. But the hardest part is you finding your ROM. But like I said, that's completely up to you. I had nothing to do with that. But if you guys have any questions or anything like that, like I said, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit that like button. That don't mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber we get really does count. And guys, if I helped you do this, dude, at least you can do is subscribe, man, honestly. I will be doing a giveaway very soon. It's going to be a little bit different, but I think you guys will like it. You guys are definitely going to like it because you guys definitely want what I'm giving. But yeah, that's coming soon. Definitely check out the links in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. I do a lot more like iOS reviews and iOS comparisons and all those different things. So definitely check that channel out too. I'd really appreciate it. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.